welcome to the Tech Guy. And are you wondering if your laptop or PC, can run on Windows 11? Then this video is for you. Yeah. So with that, all that you have to do is just go and download the Windows PC Health Check setup. So Microsoft Windows PC Health Check app here. I'll drop the link in the description below. You can go there and download the app, or you can just search on Google Windows PC Health Check setup, and you'll be able to download it for free. So download the setup and run it. Okay, so this won't take much of your time to install. Okay, so just download the Windows PC Health Check setup and install. Yeah, so after the installation is done, what you have to do is just open it. You just have to open it. Yeah, so you just have to open it. As you can see here, introducing Windows 11. So you just have to select the check now. So you select the check now. So this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirement. Yeah, so with this, I've been noted that this PC doesn't meet their Windows 11 requirements. So if you're supported, then you know that yours is supported. Okay, so this is what you do to see whether your laptop or PC supports Windows 11. Okay, see you next time.